Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is around Tower in Umuahia and I'm going to be driving through the Aguiyi Ironsi Boulevard. From here, I'm going to be showing you actually what is going on along this road, the new bus stops that they installed here. Yes, you can see that the pedestrian walkway, not just one, not two, not three, but you find a couple of them along this road. From here, I'm going to be taking Bank Road or Library Avenue. I'm going to be driving through that area. There's a little construction going on here and there in front of government house. You know what's happening all over those area. You are going to be seeing it in this video. So kindly watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. So this is the first 6-lane road, first of its kind in Umuahia. Yes. So guys, what do you think? I think this someone told me what they call it, road barrier. Someone told me what they call it. I think it needs to be repainted, the white and black, especially the white needs to be repainted. So yeah, people are sitting there already waiting for maybe tricycle or taxi, but I think they're waiting for tricycle because we mostly use tricycle here in Umuahia. So I'm also going to be passing through Umudike Junction, drive down to Ekotekbene Road, and I'll take a diversion. Just watch the video down to the end and see for yourself what is happening in Umuahia, especially little construction here and there. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. Now, something you would notice about this road is that a lot of residential buildings are around this road. You also find shops. You'll find churches too along this road. Is a place where a lot of people are living. I don't know which villages around these areas again. I don't know the name of the villages around here. If you know, you can tell us in the comment section. But I think this should be part of Ibeku, but I don't know. If you do, you can inform us, you can educate us, you can tell us in the comment section. I just wish all the roads in Umuahia are like this. But then the government is really doing a good job fixing roads, in Umuahia. If you go to Olokoro, if you go to Ibeku, there's no part of Umuahia that you wouldn't go and you wouldn't see where road construction is going on. Even outside of Umuahia, we are hoping for the best. We hope that more roads are constructed, and even those ones that needs to be reconstructed should be reconstructed so that the driving experience people have on this road, you can have it everywhere in Umuahia. So we are approaching Library Avenue or Bank Road. Yes, you can see the traffic lights they installed there, and the good thing is that Umuahia people are following all the rules, all the traffic rules. Like when it tells you to stop, red, you stop. All those things, they are following it. This road you are seeing here, it was worked on. I don't know if they are done with the work. The pedestrian walkway, the closed drainage system, the new street lights. Like if you're driving here at night now, it's lively. The executive governor of Abia State, one of the things he told us was that he's going to bring back nightlife in Umuahia, and gradually it's happening, because people now are encouraged to, people can drive at night, because if light no day, what you want drive comot, how you go dey fear. The government has the fence. You can see they repainted it. I think they are still painting it as at the time I did this video. So guys, watch the video down to the end. I'm still going to show you what they are doing. I think in front of government house, maybe that's where this heavy duty machine is coming from. And then I'm going to be taking you, we're going to pass through Umudike Junction, and then you see what is going on around those areas too. So just kindly watch the video down to the end. So you can see men at work. You see the drainage, how it's sparkling. It just shows that it hasn't been too long they constructed it. You can see the heavy duty machine there. You can see men at work with the shovel. I don't know what they want to do here, whether it's a roundabout. I think they want to construct a roundabout here. I don't know, but that's what it's looking like. But to be honest, Bank Road looks better now. I think it was expanded, so it looks better now. If they drive now, you understand, the drag road with person. No, it's wider now. And the new street lights can't give her one kind of swag like that. You see the street lights in the middle, and you see the one beside or behind the road. Yeah. So now I'm very close to Federal Medical Center. From here, now Umudike Junction, we go enter. You can see the road safety, and then the state's traffic controllers. You can walk everywhere. Walk is going on everywhere. Anywhere you just enter for Umuahia, walk they go on. Even at this Umudike Junction now, I'm going to show you what they are doing around the Umudike Junction. So just kindly watch this video down to the end. You can see they are constructing something here. I don't really know what it is, like what they are constructing here, but you can see that work is going on here. Now, as you see, work is going on. There are some trees in front that they had to cut down, trying to make this place look good. I think they are trying to repaint the fence of Federal Medical Center. The fence you are seeing now, the Federal Medical Center, now you get them. You understand? Thanks for watching this video up to this extent. Watch the video down to the end. Tell me what you think in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video.